What's up, everyone? So I still haven't reconciled the future direction of this channel, but it has become very clear that the investing videos that I've been making have received a very positive response. That being said, sneakers still really interest me and get me excited, and therefore I need to share, at least for the time being, when I get a box that should be interesting. And I've got another one from sneakers that I happened to hit on, and I have let this sit for, it feels like 2 weeks now, because there is one aspect of sneaker reviews that I think is missing from the market, which is a true unboxing and live reaction of what you're seeing. So I think I'm gonna try to make these a little bit shorter and just get right into it. Now, what I have here today is the Air Jordan 1 Retro High Black Light Smoke Gray White. And from what I've seen in photos, I really wanted to love this colorway, but the quality is in question to me. And there's nothing like seeing it for the first time, for real, to make a determination for myself if I think it is an issue or if I think it's gonna be all right. My thoughts? I thought it was gonna be bad, like really bad. And I think my concerns are valid. It's not great, but it's not terrible. I'd say it's passable. So, you know, one thing that's gotten me about all of the Jordan 1 releases lately has really been the fact that they're using a lot of suede and nubuck versus a shoe like this that's just all leather. And this shoe came out around the time I started really getting into sneakers, and I got lucky and hit with this Obsidian on sneakers. And I thought it was a cool shoe. This shoe has since gone up in value a lot. And part of it is the colorway, but an underappreciated aspect of this is the quality. And this is a full leather shoe, and the quality of this is actually really, really good. And I took it for granted when I first got this shoe. But when you compare that shoe to this shoe, and part of it is the full leather versus the suede, but part of it is also the quality of the leather on this shoe versus the quality of the leather on some of the shoes that have been coming out lately, or the suede. I think the patina was actually a very nice quality shoe. I did sell it because I didn't love the colorway. I love the colorway of this. I was skeptical of the quality. It's not as soft, it's not as plush. I think realistically, you're gonna have some creasing issues in the toe box. Not that I honestly care that much. As an example, a shoe that everybody hated on that I absolutely love are these Defiance. And I wear the crap out of these, and I have creased the crap out of the toe box on these, but I love these because they feel very avant-garde. They work with a lot of the designer clothing that I've got. This is a shoe that most people hate that I absolutely love. And yeah, I think it would look better, you know, brand new with no creases, but that means I wouldn't be able to wear them. I would rather wear them, get the creases, and just live with it. This is one where I wasn't sure I was gonna keep based on the quality because I was afraid it was just gonna be too poor of a quality for me to want to actually wear. And my initial impression here is I think it is a keeper. I do think it is passable from a quality perspective. I think it is gonna look fantastic on feet. And so, yeah, I think I will rock these. Next question, gray or black laces? I think I'm gonna go black. I think the gray is gonna be too much gray with all the gray that it's already got. Basically, it's a fully accented shoe from the swoosh to the eyelets, toe box, heel. There's a lot of gray going on here. I don't think it needs more up the center. So I think I'm gonna go black laces. And just to check the other shoe, overall, I think these are actually nicely made, even from a construction point of view. These are, in my opinion, better constructed than even these, which aren't quite put together so cleanly, even though they do look beautiful and they have nicer leather, in my opinion. So, you know, that is one other aspect of this shoe that I think it has going for it. The toe boxes look clean. The stitching looks good all around. I don't see any misstitched areas or wavy places where the panels just don't connect together correctly. I think these are nicely made. I think the quality of the leather in the black sections could be, you know, slightly nicer, a little bit more premium, but overall, this is a passable shoe that I think I will actually wear. One last check. A lot of the shoes that have had issues have been made in China. This one is made in China. So I think part of it is growing pains of where they're making these shoes these days. But that is that. Thanks for watching. I will see you at the next one.